So hello friends, today we are going to print number triangle pattern. So in this pattern what you will see, it is a number pattern in which it is starting from 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. It will end with 5, start with 1. Okay, so what we do for that? First of all, we are taking n as a input from a user. After that, first of all we make our outer loop. Int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Okay, after that, for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to n minus I, it is for a space, j plus plus. I am printing this for a space, out dot print. We are printing space. After that, it is we are making this for printing our numbers. K for start for with I 1, k less than equals to k less than equals to I, then k plus plus. This is printing for our numbers. Okay, system dot out dot print. We are providing, first of all we are providing I plus we are providing space. Okay, this will print our numbers. Okay, these numbers through we print through this condition. Okay, after that, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, so it is for a line break. After that we close this loop. So we have prepared our loop for this pattern, basically for this pattern. So here we end our loop. So how much you love this video by liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thank you, thanks a lot.